where overhand comes in towards your center, this goes away from your center. So everything about this I think is counterintuitive. And in my experience, like I would say well over 80% of students find the underhand much more difficult than the overhand. So let's start with the side by side, just to get into it. Just to remind yourself this feeling, the figure 8. Yeah, it needs a little love. Okay, try this. This might be useful. Put the poi on the right side of your body and then push down and forward and just hold it there for like 10 counts. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now come home and then go back away and hold it there for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And back home and away. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Home and away. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Home and away for 4, 3, 2, 1. Home and away. 4, 3, 2, 1. Home and away for 3, 2, 1. And home and 3, 2, 1. And home away for 3, 2, 1. And home away. 2, 3. And home away. 2, 3. Home away. 2, 3. And now let's try 2 away, 1, 2, and 1 home. 1, 2, 1 home. And no hand. 1, not the other hand, I mean 1, 2, and 1. 1, 2, 1. 1, 2, 1. 1, 2, 1. 1, 2, 1. 1, 2, 1. 1, 2, 1. Let's do it 5 more times. 1, 2, 1. 1, 2, 1. 1, 2, 1. 1, 2, 1. And last one. 1, 2, 1. Okay, now let's try this. You put your poi on the away side, so it's on the right side of your body. This is your left poi. Then put your right arm on top of the left arm like this, and then go from under to over, and then back home. Yes, and then under, over, home. There we are. Under, over, home. Under, over, home. Under, over, home. Under, over, home. 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 9 and 10 and 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Great. Your right hand, my left hand. Under, over, home. Beautiful. Under, over, home. Under, over, home. Let's go for 20. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, so 10 more, and 9 more, 8 more, 7 more, 6 more, 5 more, 4 more, 3 more, last 2, and last 1. So the next step is taking both poi underhand, and this is, I think when we did this overhand, the analogy I gave was, imagine that you're jumping rope and you cross your arms while you're jumping rope. Well, we're gonna do the same thing, only in reverse. So let's cross your left arm on top. So I'm mirroring you still, your left arm on top, right arm underneath. That was pretty good, almost there. Left on top, right underneath. Yeah. And you want to resist the temptation to go all the way up here, which is very normal. A lot of people, when they first learn, they just let their arms come up higher. Nice, good. And we want to just try and go home, away, home, away, home and cross, home and cross, home and cross. Yes, yes, yes. So now let's do the other version of it, where we take the right arm and put the right arm on top. Again, I'm mirroring you, right on top, left underneath. So it's the other orientation. Yes. Almost. Beautiful. Beautiful. Okay, great. And now, bonus points if you can switch them. Right on top, left on top, right on top, left on top. It's not necessary, but it does, I think, help.